Hello everyone, this time we would like to talk about the chemical formula of ionic compound. And this time we will use an example of sodium chloride to illustrate. So let's see on the right hand corner here. So this is actually the model of sodium chloride. Yep, it is actually a part of the sodium chloride. So anyway, let's take a look. Inside the sodium chloride, we have sodium ion and chloride ion. So let's count how many sodium ion and chloride ion in this structure. Yeah, count it, right. So number of sodium ion have how many? Yep, 10. And number of chloride ion have also 10. Okay, so here if we need to use a representation to show sodium chloride, then what should we write down? I give you some choice. A will be Na plus 10, Cl minus 10. B will be Na plus 1, Cl minus 1. C will be Na 1, Cl 1. So based on these three choices, which one will you pick? A? Oh, there are 10 sodium ion and 10 chloride ion have the charge here. Sorry, A is not the answer. So let's take a look for B. Sodium ion 1 here. 1 means the one sodium ion, 1 chloride ion. So 1 here probably you mean the ratio, right? This is also not correct. So C, let's take a look. Sodium 1, chloride 1. Right? We ignore the charge. We omit the charge of the ion. However, this is also incorrect. The correct one should be NaCl. Okay, so that's why whenever we have to write down the chemical formula of sodium chloride, or actually ionic compound, we have to, there is no charge. And secondly, if the subscript is 1 to 1 here, so 1 to 1 you actually means the ratio between sodium ion and chloride ion is 1 to 1. So if it is 1:1 ratio, then we will omit it. Okay, so the answer should be D. Okay, then let's take a look for any quick method to write down the chemical formula so easily. So let's take a look here. So here we have some quick method. I just want to let you know that for sodium chloride, it actually have a lot of sodium ion and chloride ion, and the subscript there actually means the ratio between ions. Okay, so for the quick method here, let's take a look for level 1. Okay, so if you have to write down the chemical formula of sodium chloride, then firstly, okay, sodium chloride. Firstly, write down the symbol of the ions involved. So here, sodium chloride inside have sodium ion, and also we have chloride ion. Okay, and secondly, remember a cross. Okay, so for the cross here, put the positive 1. This is 1, right? Okay, 1 right down bottom here, and then 1 here right down the subscript here. So it will become Na1Cl1. Once again, when it write down the chemical formula, you don't have to write down the charge. And eventually, 1:1 here means the ratio between sodium ion and chloride ion, and eventually you have to delete the 1 here. So this is for level 1, sodium ion, sodium chloride, it is NaCl. Level 2, it will be calcium oxide. So for calcium oxide, once again, write down the ions involved, which is calcium ion and also oxide ion. Secondly, use the cross here. So it will become Ca2O2. Hey, take a look here, 2-2 ratio, right? So actually you have to simplify the ratio. It becomes Ca1O1, right? So this is actually CaO. So this is actually the chemical formula of calcium oxide, CaO. Last but not least, for level 3, okay, this time we'll use an example of magnesium chloride. So magnesium chloride, what will be the first step when you write down the chemical formula? It should be write down the symbol of the ion. So first one, magnesium ion, and for the chloride ion here, Cl minus. Secondly, use the cross, so it will become Mg1, but we don't write it, Cl2. Okay, so this is actually the chemical formula of magnesium chloride, MgCl2. Okay, thank you.